A single pinch of cayenne pepper daily could reduce your risk of a heart attack, reduce cancer risk, boost your metabolism, and even extend your lifespan. Cayenne pepper has long been treasured in ancient medicine, and now science is finally catching up. Today, we will reveal the science-backed healing secrets of cayenne pepper. Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers TV. Before we continue, we want to emphasize the importance of consulting your healthcare professionals before making significant health changes. Cayenne pepper contains a powerful bioactive ingredient called capsaicin, responsible for its peculiar heat and healing powers. This healing power has amazed researchers worldwide. A groundbreaking study conducted in 2021 and published in PubMed.gov by the Cleveland Clinic found that capsaicin interacts directly with sensory neurons, desensitizing pain receptors and reducing chronic pain symptoms. Here are the hidden secrets of cayenne pepper. 1. Heart health booster. One of cayenne pepper's most powerful effects is its cardiovascular support. According to the American Heart Association and studies published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2019, capsaicin promotes vasodilation, helping to widen blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and increase circulation. Research conducted by Harvard Medical School in 2020 confirmed that regular dietary intake of cayenne peppers was associated with a 26% reduction in cardiovascular-related mortality. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a silent destroyer for those 50 and above. Capsaicin has been found to reduce key markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6. A 2022 clinical trial published in the British Medical Journal noted significant reductions in inflammation in participants who consumed capsaicin supplements over 8 weeks. 3. Immunity, gut health, and cancer-fighting potential. Cayenne pepper's benefits extend beyond the skin level. According to a report in the World Health Organization Global Health Review in 2020, capsaicin exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties that protect the gut from infections and promote a healthy microbiome. A stunning research by the University of Nottingham, UK, 2018, and MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston showed that capsaicin induced apoptosis, cell death, in prostate, pancreatic, breast, and colon cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Though human studies are still ongoing, the results are promising enough to gain the attention of oncologists across North America and Europe. 4. Fat burning and weight control. Cayenne is not just spicy, it is also thermogenic. That means it raises your body temperature and helps burn fat. According to research conducted by Purdue University in the United States, capsaicin consumption can increase metabolic rate by up to 20% for several hours after ingestion. A University of Adelaide in Australia meta-analysis found consistent evidence that cayenne pepper helps reduce appetite and increase fat oxidation. This supports its role in weight control, especially after age 50 when metabolism naturally slows. The participants in a 2021 study from McGill University in Canada who consumed cayenne pepper daily for 12 weeks lost an average of 5.2% more body fat than those in the control group. 5. Brain and nerve protection. Emerging research from the University of Toronto in Canada and the MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston has found that capsaicin may play a neuroprotective role by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in brain cells. These findings suggest cayenne could help guard against age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Cayenne also boosts endorphin production, nature's feel-good hormones, improving mood and potentially combating mild depression in older adults, as explored in a 2021 study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH. Here are some precautions on consuming cayenne pepper. Despite its benefits, cayenne isn't for everyone. Digestive issues. Cayenne pepper may irritate ulcers or sensitive stomachs. Medication interactions. Cayenne pepper can interfere with blood pressure or blood-thinning medications. Topical use. Warning: If you use capsaicin cream, always test small areas first. Capsaicin creams may cause burning. Finally, whether you're seeking heart protection, joint pain relief, or a gentle metabolic boost, cayenne pepper might be your secret weapon. This information is backed by science and rooted in tradition. Thank you for watching the Wellness Watchers TV. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed information on holistic health and wellness. Until next time, stay well, stay curious, and keep watching.